Hey everyone, let's talk kimchi. This vibrant, spicy, and tangy dish hails from Korea, where it's a staple at every meal. Kimchi is made by fermenting vegetables, usually Napa cabbage, with a blend of flavorful spices like garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, and gochujang. Imagine a burst of flavor that's both sour and spicy, with a satisfying crunch. That's kimchi. It's not just a condiment, it's a flavor explosion that can liven up any dish. Think of it as the Korean sauerkraut, but with a whole lot more personality. Kimchi has been a part of Korean culture for centuries. Historically, it hasn't always been possible to grow fresh vegetables throughout the year. So the fermentation process wasn't just about flavor, it was a way to preserve vegetables for the colder months. Clever, right? And the best part? This age-old tradition comes with some amazing health perks. Kimchi is like a vitamin and mineral party in your mouth. Seriously, this stuff is packed with nutrients. First up, we've got vitamin A, essential for good vision and healthy skin. Then there's vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. But wait, there's more. Kimchi is a good source of B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production. And let's not forget about the minerals. We're talking iron for healthy blood, calcium for strong bones, and potassium for maintaining blood pressure. And the best part? Kimchi is low in calories and fat, making it a guilt-free way to add a nutritional punch to your meals. So go ahead, pile on the kimchi. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about gut health. You know that whole good bacteria thing? Kimchi is a probiotic powerhouse, meaning it's loaded with beneficial bacteria that are essential for a healthy gut. These friendly bacteria, also known as probiotics, help keep your digestive system running smoothly. They help break down food, absorb nutrients, and even fight off harmful bacteria that can make you sick. Think of your gut as a garden. Probiotics are like the good bugs that help your garden flourish. And kimchi is like a superfood for those good bugs. Eating kimchi regularly can help promote a balanced gut microbiome, which is linked to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood. Boost your defenses. Kimchi for a stronger immune system. Feeling a little run down? Kimchi to the rescue. This fermented wonder food can give your immune system a much-needed boost. Remember those probiotics we talked about? Well, they play a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune response. Studies have shown that the probiotics in kimchi can help increase the production of immune cells that fight off infections. It's like having a tiny army of good bacteria fighting to keep you healthy. So next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for some kimchi. It might just be the delicious boost your immune system needs to fight back. Fighting fire with fermentation, kimchi's anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal, but chronic inflammation can be a real drag, contributing to a whole host of health problems. The good news is that kimchi contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds work by reducing the production of certain substances in the body that promote inflammation. While more research is needed to fully understand the anti-inflammatory benefits of kimchi, the evidence so far is promising. So, adding kimchi to your diet may be a tasty way to help fight inflammation and support overall health. Please like and subscribe for more amazing content.